Hey beautiful people, today I have a TEMU haul for you guys. I bought some products mainly Disney themed, okay? So if you're not a Disney fan, this might not be for you, but wanted to share my little haul with you guys. It's a try on haul, so I will have my little videos of me trying the products here on the side. First, let's get into the other little things that I bought. So I'm gonna show you guys a video and a picture here of my little garden flag. I found the cutest little summer garden flag for my house, and of course it is Disney themed. I try to buy a lot of garden flags that are Disney themed just because that's my vibe. If you guys have any recommendations, leave them down below. I haven't really bought that many, but I know some people are like diehard fans and know like really great quality ones, so if you know of any, let me know. But I thought it was so cute. Next I bought, this isn't Disney related, but these are a set of different sizes for cleaning straws. I have a lot of cups. I love using a straw. That's why I think I will never get lip filler, because I cannot stop using straws. But this comes with like so many different sizes, so that way you can clean them. And I really like that it has them all together here on this little end, so you can pick and choose what size you need. And we use so many tumblers and things with straws in them that this is really good for cleaning them. Another thing that I bought are these little toppers for my Stanley cup, and of course they're Disney themed. They're little mini ones. There's even like a 4th of July one. There's like different ones in here. There's so many and they're very affordable. I actually have one right now on my Stanley cup. Look how cute that is. I just had to get it because it's so adorable. What was the other thing that I bought? Oh, the last thing before I get into the clothing is this right here. It is a little welcome mat. I'm gonna put this on the inside of my house for Halloween. It says, "Welcome, foolish mortals." If you know, you know. I am such a huge Disney fan, and this is from the Haunted Mansion. And yeah, I just thought it was so cute. I have found so many different items from Disney on TEMU, which is probably illegal, but I just couldn't help myself. Next, before I get into the try on, I know I said that that was the last one, but I lied. Is these little earrings. These are the little soots from Studio Ghibli. I absolutely love Studio Ghibli, Spirited Away, and then I saw these and was just like, so cute. So I had to get these. I have ones that I have previously bought of Studio Ghibli, but these are so freaking cute, so I got those as well. Okay, now we're gonna get into the try on portion. First I'm gonna get with the t-shirts. So I have 5 t-shirts and 3 camis. So the first t-shirt that I'm gonna show you guys is Lion King themed. These fit really, really nicely. The majority of these all of these I bought in medium except for one, just because it wasn't available in medium. But this is the Lion King one. Super cute. We have what Rafiki draws of Simba, and then we have them when they're singing Hakuna Matata. So we have Simba, Timon, and Pumbaa on there. I just thought that this was super cute. I have a ton of TEMU t-shirts, and I have had no issue with like wear and tear. I have had them for like almost more than a year now, and I constantly am using them over and over again. Right now I actually have one that I have on. I don't know if this is from Shein or TEMU, but it says Mom Life, and these, they wear really nicely. I don't have any issue, and I love the fact that they're not like 100% cotton, so they don't shrink on me. Really, really love this one. So really cute. Next we have the only one that I had to buy in large, and this one is because literally it wasn't available in medium, but this has all 4 parks. I actually heard that they just put in paperwork to try to make a 5th park, which, oh my god, I'm so excited. But this has the 4 parks that are right now available, which is Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Magic Kingdom, and Epcot. If you follow me, you know that I am such a Disney fan. I actually have an Instagram dedicated to Disney, like talking about food and places and all that whole jazz. That's linked down below if you guys want to, are a Disney fan or whatever, let me know. But you can follow me over there. But this one was so cute as well. So that one's a little bit bigger on me, but still something that I would wear. Next we have just the cutest little Mickey. This is perfect for Hollywood Studios where Galaxy's Edge is at. Look how cute this is. Ah! So we have the Death Star here, and then we have the other spaceships here on the side. This is Star Wars related, but it's in a Mickey head form. So I thought that this was so cute. Really, really love this one. So adorable. Then we have one that's related to Hocus Pocus. If you guys don't know, right over here I do have the candle. That is the Black Flame candle from Hocus Pocus. ColourPop did a collaboration and I absolutely love it. I wish they still had that candle because I would repurchase. It smells really good. But this one right here says Sanderson Witch Museum, established in 1693. Home of the Black Flame candle. Of course, this is Hocus Pocus theme. Super cute. I even love the fact that it's orange, perfect for Halloween season. Just such a cute, cute shirt, especially for the fall months. I know this is like we're in summer, but I just thought that this was super, super cute. I'll wear it all year round, but really adorable. Next we have another Mickey head, but this one has a ton of the characters in the middle. You can definitely see the different characters, and in between we have little stars and Mickey heads. Super cute. The shirt is like a pinky reddish color. Really, really cute as well. And of course, I will be wearing this like nobody's business. I go to the theme parks a lot, so that's just part of my lifestyle. Next we have two more Disney themed ones and one that is not. So first up we have one that is my favorite. We have Miss Alice in Wonderland. It says we're all mad here. We have the Cheshire Cat, the White Rabbit, Alice, the Tea Party, just super, super cute. If you guys don't know, my phone is also Alice in Wonderland themed. So I'm always buying different Disney cases, Disney apparel. So I really, really love this one as well. Then we have a simple one. This one just says Believe and has Tinkerbell on the front. I absolutely love Tinkerbell, so I thought that this was super cute as well. These camis are really breathable, really comfy and nice, and I got all three in a medium. And I love the fact that they're not too short or too long. They're just like a really nice length. I'm 5'5", so that's gonna depend on your height, but these are really nice. The last one is not Disney themed, but it's one of the movies that I really highly enjoy. I am not a horror fan for the most part. My husband is, but one of the movies that I thought was really hilarious and funny, and I had grown up being scared of Chucky, but I love Bride of Chucky and like I think it's called like Spawn of Chucky. Like the last two movies that they had made were more of a comedy horror, and I love the one, especially Bride of Chucky. And look how freaking cute this is. So we have Tiffany and Chucky in a bloody heart. This is super cute all year round, of course, but especially for Halloween season, this is gonna be so much fun to wear. I love their dynamic in the movie. They are hilarious. So I thought that this was really funny and cute. I'm not sure how this is gonna wear because this has more of that, I don't know, like that print that can kind of cut and like open up and like, you know, really get damaged. So I'll let you guys know on this one because the printing on the t-shirt's a little bit more different than the graphics on the other ones. So I think that this one might not last as long as the other ones, but I thought it was so, so cute. But that is it for my Shein haul. I really, really loved all the items that I got. Let me know if you guys want more of these because I do plan on purchasing even more. I have seen so many from like Studio Ghibli, Disney themed, and I just feel like they just have a lot of cute t-shirts, and I wear them like crazy. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of TEMU because they think it's like fast fashion, but I am not one to like wear something one or two times and throw it away. For the most part, I get a lot of uses out of these. Like I said, I've had some of these even like a year or more, and I constantly wear them and have had no issue with like my Shein stuff or my TEMU stuff. The only thing I give away is like if I try something on and it doesn't fit me, but other than that, I have had no issue with like the quality of the items. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, you can hit that little red button. I have social media, including my Disney Instagram, down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.